Today I am excited to share about my project DevCore AI, which is a fascinated platform where we put all our codes in a file and upload them in an orderly or non-orderly, but it can be checked each program where it executes and also deliver the output also. Here the functionality is it checks the code whether it's wrong or right, and it also generate a dynamic inputs also as a we took the version of API key also. So the API key version is used to generate the input ways where we also generated the all executions which was done at a time where we cannot take a manual entry also, which help us to reduce the time complexity and manual works and other evaluation process also. So it's just a system uploading system where we have a auto check, and also we need to evaluate every code in an orderly. If the code is correct, it display in a green color. If the code is wrong, it display in a red color. We can also click on the code and also check whether the code is like executing or not. We can also test the wrong code in separately, which if they have doubt like the code can be correct, but we have also functionated with the API key, so it also checks the manual entries of inside the function callings also. So it helps us more efficiently so for evaluation process. So this help us to more like we also can have a tests of all our coding skills. So for suppose here we took a dashboard also for how many programs are correct and how many programs are wrong also, so displaying the resulting system. Now we are checking the wrong file like buck.py where it just we I think we have given a function calling wrong, so it took a wrong display. So we are just taking a review of the wrong code also. If you see, we are just taking the code, simplifying, selecting the code from the code editor, and we are just copying and we are just display it in the AI review. Now we are pasting the code for the analyzing view, and we are rechecking the code is entered into review system. Now we analyze the again for the re-verification. Now if you see the processing taking place, now we can also apply like things like the code is written in which language, or the summary points of the code, like the what are defined in the code and what are the functionalities. We also now the code you have given the analyzing form. If you see the I told the function call is wrong, so code is generated with the help of API key, and it needs to be verified also, and it also check whether it is evaluated or not. Now we are going for the correct codes also, like we are seeing the dynamic inputs which are generated by API key using AI. Now the platform is ready for the evaluation. Thank you.